my God. Oh my God.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Oh shit. Oh my God. Oh. Close the door. That one was scary, buddy. That was the front of the boat going underneath the water. But the end should have been watching. I should have slowed it down. Damn, Clint shouldn't let us out here. I don't see any more like that, so. That one was horrible. Warn me when you see two monsters in a row is bad. I feel bad for that other pontoon boat. They didn't even start doing this yet. Huh? We're halfway done with it. We're halfway to get these guys out anyway. Hell yeah! We're going fishing! We're not lightweights. I'm like I hit your knee. You all right, Lynn? We're gonna make it. These are having fun.
Are we close?
Oh my God. We're close. We'll probably get out and walk from here. This is what the houseboat's gonna be like in Minnesota in June. This has been quite the adventure. These two are having a blast. I think we should go back out to the Cape again. Back out to the point, do this one more time. Jack, don't let that hit your knee, okay, buddy? Just stay back from it. I don't want you getting hurt. I'd rather have the door ripped off.